Hey, I want to show you this toy box that I just got for my daughter. It comes wrapped up in a plastic package like this, and as you can see, it's really lightweight, and since it's folded up like this, that means it's going to be really easy to store if you ever need to do that, and also if you ever, say, change homes or something, it'll be really easy to move around. So let's get it open and check it out real quick. Here it is right here. It's got this durable non-woven fabric that's going to be nice and strong even if your kids are messing around with it and beating it up a little bit. Looks like it comes with a few panels here. Comes with a lifetime warranty card. This looks like probably the lid right here. It's got Velcro right here, and it can fold in half as well because I believe it's a 2-compartment storage container. This looks like it's going to be probably the flooring, maybe more flooring here. And here's the actual box right here. You can see that you just kind of open it like this, and then pull it open again like that, and here you go. Here's the actual storage bin. And it comes with a cute bear face on it right here. 2 eyes and a mouth and a nose. And just to give you a sense of its size here, it looks like it's about 27 inches long by about 15 inches deep and roughly 16 inches tall. Now I think we can just take this little flooring mat right here and we can stick it down in the bottom. That's going to give it a little bit of rigidity so it's not going to collapse in on itself anymore. Then it has a little divider piece right here, so as you can see right now it's just one big box, but you can take this one which has 2 Velcro straps on it right here, and we can take it along the Velcro lining on the inside and do it like that, and then on the other Velcro lining on the inside, and then kind of just pair that. Oh, I missed a little bit, so let's get it lined up nicely there. There we go. And now it's a 2-compartment storage bin. So as you can see, you could easily change it from 2 compartments to 1 compartment just by removing that inner divider right there. And then if we take the lid right here, we can just kind of put it on top, and there's Velcro on the back for it right here, so it's going to stick really easily like that. You can see that it's Velcroed back here. And then the front here has a Velcro strap here and here, and those will contact these Velcro pieces right here. And it also feels like it has like kind of like a nice snapping feature to it to keep it closed like that. And I can put a little bit of weight on it like this, and it's staying up nice and sturdy. Of course, you wouldn't want to sit on it or anything. It's not going to hold up that much. But there you go. There's the toy box that I got from my daughter. I hope she's going to enjoy it. And I think she will because it's her favorite color, and it's got the little bear face on it. And for me, it's got these little handles right here too if I ever need to move it around for her. So if you're looking for a little storage container, or in my case I'm going to use it as a toy box for my child for her stuffed animals, then I could recommend this to you. I think she'll like it, and I think you will too.